Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a giant tiger vacuum for $45 by MAHLI. It says it can do intelligent omnidirectional technology with 360 motion and advanced sensors. It can vacuum, sweep, and mop all non-carpet floors. 3-in-1 design. We get a spinning sweeper, a high suction vacuum, and a detachable wipe. It's multifunctional. It has advanced sensors. It has a rechargeable battery, 2 hours per charge, pet friendly, and in the box is a vacuum cable and an instruction manual. Tech specs: charge time 3 hours, usage time 3 hours, dust box capacity 8 ounces. Get ready. We got an egg crate. Oh, and nothing else in the box. Thank you for your purchase. Please note, for maximum performance, our vacuum works on only non-carpet surfaces. Well, guess that's not going to be good for me then. Oh, this thing popped open like it's a DVD drive. Oh, there we go. And there's our vacuum. It's already got smudges on it. Press to open. What do we get here? Oh, this must be the compartment in the fan. Ooh. There's our filter and our cover for this. And I just assume this just stays inside. Don't know where it would trap everything inside. There's your fan. I don't think I seated it. Oh, there we go. I think I seated it properly now. Okay. So does it come charged? No, it does not. Probably because nobody wanted it. Okay. Under here, we have our wheels. We have another wheel and another wheel. This must be our Velcro for the mop. And I'm guessing you would just shove these on like that. Oh, there's our on switch. Maybe that's why I didn't see it. Okay. Oh. Look at this thing go. So from what we're gonna do... Hey, stop it. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try cleaning up my mess with the sawdust table. And by sawdust table, I mean my kitchen counter, because that's where I did all my sawdusting. So, let's see if this is working its magic. Just dump some more on there. Oh, no you don't. Not even a wet floor, and this thing's already struggling. I mean, I want to say it's doing a decent job. Kind of like having a pet. So that's the little vacuum. It's sucking it up in. Oop. Oop. Like a petulant child. I guess it has intelligent sensors, except when it tries to commit suicide. Maybe I fixed it. As far as I'm concerned, it's kind of working and not at the same time, because when it goes off the edge, it's taking the sawdust off. Doesn't feel like it's full. Okay, now that we got most of this sawdust done, let's see what we've collected. We've collected Wow, that's actually not horrible. Not the worst. Not bad. I like it. Mm-hmm. Just put that back in. Put that on. And sawdust can be heavy, so maybe it was just struggling. Ooh. Look at her purr. Now let's see it handle the mess that it made on the floor. It's cute. Like it found its own little cubby hole. And it's stuck. Alright, come on, let's go this way. You made this mess. Back up here. Probably doesn't even know what to do with itself. Whee! Alright, off you go. Yeah, it didn't pick up that much. Wasn't much for it to really pick up anyway. Now I gotta blow this thing all out. Let's see if I can find the English one. There we go. 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. MBOT 3011. So location of controls. So the location of controls are on the bottom of the vacuum cleaner. Power switch, balancing wheels, dust intake, sweeping brushes, locomotive wheels. This is not a toy. Do not submerge in water. Do not use the vacuum to clean up water or any other fluid. But it says it mops. That's a lie. Shown in the location of controls. Charging the vacuum cleaner. Remove the filter. Power it on. Empty the dust box into the trash. Brush the dust with a brush. And the cleaning is weak. The vacuum cleaner does not work. The vacuum cleaner will not charge. The machine becomes very noisy. Dust box, filter, and sweeping brushes are all clean and in working order. The machine's stuck. Well, that's it. And there is our USB. It's a micro USB. Boo. Just when I thought I was living in the 21st century. Oh, that's it. Yeah, you keep burring. Have a good night.